Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to do a quick unboxing and review of the 3-in-1 magnetic MagSafe 18 watt fast wireless charger. Now I picked this up off of Amazon. I was scrolling on the site the other day, saw this, thought it was very interesting, thought I'd pick it up, check it out, and share it with you guys. So as you can see, it comes in a white box, very kind of basic looking, and black and white box. Not a lot of information on it. On this side it does say fast charging, magnetic charging, smart control, and safety convenient. Now if you guys are interested in this, it costs $39 off of Amazon, and as this video is being shot, I noticed the price has dropped to $33. So if you guys are interested, I will leave links for you down in the description area. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. And so open it up, the first thing we see is our charging cord. This is USB-C on one end, USB-A that would go into your charging brick. I'm going to set that down there. The bigger item here is the device itself. We're going to set that there. And what fell out is our instruction manual. So be sure to open it up, read it. I'm sure some good information in there that we can use. So we're going to set that to the side. And last but not least, we have our charging brick. And as you can see, it says on it, it is a 18 watt charging brick. So we'll set that down there and that to the side, and then we're going to grab a device itself. And so this is what the device looks like itself. Has a MagSafe feature on the top here. On the side it has a little flip out portion with your Apple Watch will go on. Of course, here is the charging port right there, USB-C. At the bottom clear part is a light feature, which they call that the night light. And as you can see, this MagSafe feature thing, it raises up and you can put your AirPods there to be charged. And so you can charge three different things. You can charge your phone, of course, here, your AirPods there, and your Apple Watch here. And so that is pretty cool in itself, and what makes it really cool is this is so compact, so small. You can throw this in your backpack. You can practically put it in your pocket, and you can probably get it in, more than likely get it in a woman's purse. And so it's just to give you an idea how small it is or how compact it is. If you were to grab a can of soda, at the time here, no soda in the house, but we do have a can of tea. See how much shorter that is than the device itself, way shorter. Matter of fact, the height of this device is 3.54 inches. The diameter around it is 2.56 inches, so it's pretty small. The charging brick is almost as tall as it is. So this is definitely something unique, something very cool that you can just throw in your pocket, throw in your purse, throw in your backpack, and be able to charge all of your devices. You can charge your phone, your headphones, and your watch with one device and one cord. And so with that being said, let's get it plugged up and see how it works. Well, okay, we got it all set up. In other words, we got it all plugged up. As you can see at the back here is where the USB-C cord plugs into. White cord, small device. And so if you look at the bottom here, there's a button. I don't know if you can see it real well on the camera here, but that button is a light, a switch to turn on the light. So if you can hit it, it'll be, you can have it as a white light. And if you hit it again, you will get a different palette of colors that kind of rotates between blue, yellow, and kind of a magenta. And so this is considered to be the night light feature. And so where it comes into play is it kind of gives you indication your phone is being charged and that the phone is fully charged. And so again, like we said, what you would do is you pull this part out, and this is for your Apple Watch. Then you raise this part up for your phone and put your AirPods there. And so we're going to grab a phone. Phone we're using for demonstration here today is a iPhone 14. So you put it there, and as you can see, there's a green icon up at the top, green icon at the top, showing that it's charging. I'll do that one more time. And if you notice, the light goes blue. And the light has kind of like a pulsating rhythm to it. They call it breathing. And that's letting you know that the phone is being charged. And so, you can grab your AirPods, put that up top here, like so, to be charged. And then you can take your Apple Watch and put it down there, well, on there, and it'll be charged. And like I said, that is very nice, compact, neat. Like I said, you can take this, you can even take it to work and put it on your desk, charge all your devices at once, the watch, AirPods, and the phone, with one device that's very compact and only one cord. And so I think this is very, very, very nice. And again, it ran $39 off of Amazon. They got a sale going on to where it's down to $33. So not sure how long that'll last. Now, like I said, this has that MagSafe feature. That's the reason why it's holding the phone like so. But this can even charge an older phone. With the MagSafe feature, it charges the iPhone 12, 13, and 14. But if you were to take the watch off, well, we can leave the watch on, I guess. So we'll pull the AirPods off, set it to the side. We'll take off the iPhone 14, set it down, and then if we close it down like so, you can charge another iPhone, or like an iPhone 11, for example, here. It has wireless charge capability, but it doesn't have the MagSafe or the magnet where it can stick to it. And so you can set that on top of it like so. And as you can see, it's charging. The pulsating blue light is showing again here, showing that it's charging the device. So all in all, I really, really, really like this. I guess the big thing about it that gets me is, or that I really like about it, is that it's so small. I can put this in my pocket, really. Now what I really, really like about this is that it's so compact, and I can charge all my devices at once very easily. So that's it for our video for today. A quick unboxing and review of the 3-in-1 MagSafe 18-watt fast wireless charger. So hopefully we shared something that you can use, and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you'll be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.